Hi everyone, we're back again for a quick tune-up report on this Alpha 10 Mini. We had one go bad on us for Sue. Sue in Virginia, so we got her a brand new one here. Let's try this again. Up on the scope. Well, we got about 5 1/4 watts, dead key. Right on the peak power. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Right about 27 watts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Put it on the end.